What's up YouTube, Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you to change your header and your profile picture on your YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on youtube.com. All you're going to do is come up to your profile picture in the top right, click on that, and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, what you're going to do is come down to customization. Once you're in customization, you're gonna see banner image and picture. Your banner image does need to be 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. You're gonna click on change right there, and then you're gonna select a picture to make your banner. And then if you wanna change your profile picture, same thing. It's 98 by 98 and 4 megapixels or less. It has to be a PNG or a GIF, no animation file. So you go ahead and click on change, and you go ahead and choose a picture again. But that is how you change your banner image and your profile picture in YouTube. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.